Internet. I came way out to Rocky Mountain National Park, not realizing it was National Park Day. They did say that it does get crowded, so had to go back to Estes Park Visitor Center, take the shuttle. But heading to Emerald Lake right now. You go to the Bear Lake trailhead and just follow the signs. Should be enjoyable. A little windy, a little chilly. Now I'm not sure what this lake is, but you get to it pretty quickly. I think there's a sign over there, so maybe I'll find out. I have to say this is quite a crowded area. I mean, it's kind of close to Denver, so it is expected, but it's not too shabby. The trail's a little narrow for how many people are coming through, but so far it's a party. So I guess that first lake was Nymph Lake, and then you'll come to Dream Lake after that. Quite a nice view though. Alright, actually almost to the lake already. It's quite a quick hike compared to what I was reading, but I kind of hustled my way through it. As you can see, a lot of people. Right here is Dreamy Dream Lake. Figured I'd take a peek while I'm here. Oh, it's dreamy. What a dreamy lake. Surrounded by beauty. Water is so clear right here. Nice cool breeze coming through. But not quite to Emerald yet. The water is so clear that you can see that fish right out there. I don't know if you can see it, because right now the viewfinder is looking a little bit like it's having a hard time. But as I was standing here, I saw quite a few fish. Oh yeah, there's one right there. Came up. These chipmunks really don't seem to care about too much. Let me see how close I can get. Hey little guy. Hey. Oh. Sorry, that's a bad view for you guys. Great view for me. There's two of them. Where's the other one? Hey. What's she doing? Alright, I think I'll let him alone. He probably just wants food. This appears to be the spot. Wanted to get up a little higher to see why they call it Emerald Lake. Now I'm going to head back down, head to Glacier Gorge trailhead, and it'll probably be a different video, but I'm off to Mills Lake.